Hi everyone, Dr. Robinson here with Emmy.
Hello.
So Miss Emmy is going to show us how work is given to a student, and it's done in beautiful videos, but the teacher often asks for specific quotes from that video, and she is going to show how the links that they send are MP4s, so you can't do it that way. And then she's going to take you to Khan Academy where the link came from, do a search, pull it up, and show you how you can actually get the transcripts from all the videos. And at that point, Miss Emmy, take it away.
Well, I'm in my Word document here where I've got my work open, and I want to get quickly to my link. So I can turn on my quick nav keys by doing caps lock Z or JAWS key Z, whether it's insert or caps lock.
Quick keys on.
Now my quick keys are on, I can go to my links list.
Links list dialog. Links list view. The Articles of Confederation period 31754.
It's right there.
Loading the Articles of Confederation period 31754-1.
So I'm in this video, and I'll turn off my speech and
Space. Speech on demand.
tell it to play and pause. So I'm on my play button, so I'm just going to play it.
Space. Video player. Video
Hey,
player.
this is Kim, and I'm here with Leah.
Space.
So this is the Khan Academy video that I want, but I want a transcript. So there's no transcript on this page because this is just like a plain MP4 video. There's nothing special about it. I mean, it's from Khan Academy, but so I'm in my video, and I can
Video player frame. YouTube video.
I can do a couple of things. I can use the slider and go to exactly where I want in the video. I can play and pause. I can mute, but I can't do a transcript. So I'm going to go back to where this video came from and get the transcript from there. So I'm going to go ahead and close this one out.
Alt F4. The Articles of Confederation period 31754-180.
So this is from Khan Academy, and it's called the Articles of Confederation. So I'm just going to copy that
Dr. Blue 3 on default.
from this link.
O. C. And Dr. Blue 3 link MP period. Cop history list. AP 18-73 period. Conf of article. Dr. Blue 3 on default link. Select Dr. Blue 3 on default link articles. Dr. Blue 3 on default link. Dr. Blue 3 on default link Confederation selected.
So I've got it selected. I'm going to just copy it.
Copied.
And an arrow.
Dr. Blue 3 on default link 17.
An arrow to unselect. So now I'm going to go into Chrome and open up Khan Academy.
Cortana. C. Search box edit. C. Type in text. Computer Braille. Google Chrome app. Press right to switch preview.
So after pressing my start key and starting Chrome,
Enter. About : blank. Address and search bar edit supports autocomplete.
it brings up my search bar straight away. And if it doesn't, I can press Alt-D and get there pretty easily. I'm going to go ahead and type in Khan Academy because that's where I want to go to first.
khanacademy.org.
And it already typed it right in there for me, but if it didn't, I would just type khanacademy.org.
Enter. Supports autocomplete. Dashboard vertical bar Khan Academy dash Google Chrome. Dashboard vertical bar Khan Academy. 5 regions, 5 headings, and 40 links. Dashboard vertical bar Khan Academy. Modal closed. You are at the top of the page. Button. Same page link. Skip the main content. Main reclosure.
I'm already logged in to the site, so I don't need to log in.
Dashboard vertical bar Khan Academy dash Google Chrome. Daily schedules for students ages 2-18 button to activate. Press enter.
So I might be in some sort of banner region, and when I'm in a banner region, sometimes my keys don't function correctly. So I'm just going to make sure I'm not in a banner region.
Remote learning resources button to act. Donation button to activate. Press enter. Dismiss banner button to activate. Press enter.
So I'm in my banner region, and I found a close banner button. So I think I'll do that because I don't really need this banner.
Space. Dashboard vertical bar Khan Academy.
So now that I'm hopefully out of my banner, I'll just make sure to tab once.
Skip the main content.
But I do not want to do that because if I do that, I'll skip over some vital buttons that I need to get to, like the search option, which is not a button.
Modal closed. You are at the top of the page. Button.
So I'll press buttons.
Courses button collapsed.
And then I'll get to courses button, and I'll press tab.
Left parent, well, right parent, dashboard vertical bar Khan Academy dash Google Chrome. Link search for courses, skills, and videos.
And there is my search link. So I'll go ahead and press that.
Enter. Search for courses, skills, and videos. Edit supports autocomplete. Type in text. Computer Braille.
After pressing enter on search, I'll paste in what I'm looking for, which is the Articles of Confederation.
Pasted. Enter. Left parent, well, right parent. The Articles of Confederation vertical bar Khan Academy dash Google Chrome. The Articles of Confederation vertical bar Khan Academy. 6 regions, 5 headings, and 61 links. Page.
Now, after I've completed my search, I'll tab once.
Skip the main content.
And I get to skip to main content, which this time, after putting in my search, I do want to do that.
Enter. Left parent 12, right parent. The Articles of Confederation vertical bar Khan Academy. Articles of Confederation vertical bar Khan Academy dash Google Chrome. The left parent 12, right parent.
The page will load, so the page is loaded. And there's a couple of things on this page that might make it hard to get to the video. So I'm just going to go ahead and pull up my links with JAWS key F7.
Links list dialog. Links list view. Skip the main content 1 of 61. To move to items, use the arrow keys.
And I know that the video probably starts with T for the Articles of Confederation. So I'll press that and see what I find.
T. The Articles of Confederation left parent video right parent vertical bar Khan Academy 5 of 61.
That sounds like it might be the right one.
Enter. The Articles of Confederation left parent video right parent vertical bar Khan Academy dash Google Chrome. Footer navigation region 5 regions 5 headings and 40 links. Main region page header navigation region. Courses button collapsed. Link search for courses. Skills comma.
So again, I'm in the top of the page and it might restrict me. So I'm just going to tab.
Left parent 12 right parent. The Articles of Confederation left parent video right parent vertical bar Khan Academy dash Google Chrome. Visited link Khan Academy. Donate link. User. Breadcrumbs navigation region. Art US history. The road to revolution left parent 17. Creating a nation link.
So I think I'm sort of in where I need to be. So I'm going to, first I kind of want to play the video to make sure it's the right video. So I'm going to go to my form fields list and find P for play.
Select the form field dialog. List 1 list view. Modal closed. You are at the top of
Now that I'm in my form fields list, I'm going to go ahead and press P for play.
P. Play button 5 of 53.
So I found the play button, but I'm going to down arrow.
Play video button 6 of 53.
So if I had to choose between play and play video, I think I would want play video because this is a confusing thing because the play button doesn't always do exactly what you want it to do. So you make sure you press the play video button.
Enter to activate, press enter. Play video button to activate, press enter. Play video button.
So now I'm going to press enter on the button now that I've gotten to it.
Enter. Video : the Articles of Confederation frame.
Many people don't realize was the first Constitution of the United States before the one that debates that we have in our history is about the balance of power between the federal government and state governments. When the Articles of Confederation were first created, it was in the middle of the American Revolution. They were created in 1777. And so the question becomes, well, how can we run a government that looks as different from monarchy as
Okay, so I pressed my play button, and so pause button. So that's something important to know so that when you play your video, you want to have a plan to be able to pause it. So once I play the video, I'll do insert, I'll do JAWS key F5 to get to my form fields and press P for play. You might have noticed that it said left parent K, right parent, meaning if I turn off my virtual cursor with when I turn off my virtual cursor with JAWS key plus Z,
off.
I can press K.
K, pause left parent K, right K, play left parent K, right parent.
So I can play and pause the video with K now that I've pressed the button. But now I want to get my transcript, now that I know that this is the correct video. So I have to do 2 steps. First step is I have to actually open the transcript tab. So I'm going to go into my form fields list and press T for transcript.
No form fields. Play left parent K, right parent button.
And that's right. I need to make sure I turn on my virtual cursor again because it won't work. The form fields list won't work when my cursor is off.
On.
Now that my cursor is on, by pressing JAWS key plus Z again, I'll go in to my form fields list and find the transcript tab.
Select the form field dialog. List 1 list view. Play left parent K, right parent button 6 of 59. To move to.
I'm going to go ahead and go to the top just in case it's before this.
Modal closed. You are at the top of the page button.
So now I'm going to press T and see if transcript comes up.
T transcript tab 14 of 59.
And there it is. So I'm going to go ahead and press transcript.
Enter. To activate, press enter. Left parent 12, right parent. The Articles of Confederation left parent video right.
And I'm on the transcript tab, so I'm just going to
enter.
Open that. And let's make sure I'm in the transcript tab.
Transcript tab panel 0 o'clock dash left bracket instructor right bracket.
And I am because it says 0 instructor. Hey, this is Kim. And the video, when I played it, it didn't start at the beginning, so we didn't hear that. But this is the transcript. But I want to go into my form fields and get a specific place. So I'm going to go into my form fields.
Select the form field dialog. List 1 list view. 0 o'clock dash left bracket instructor right bracket.
Now I'm in my form fields, and these are all the transcript timestamps. So I can go to wherever I want in here.
0, 0, 10, which I think many people don't realize button 21. Enter to activate. Press enter. 010, which I think many people don't realize. Button 010, which I think.
So now I'm on 010. If I press it, it would play the video. Now I want to copy and paste this. So unfortunately, Control A to select all doesn't work very well. So you want to go to the top of the transcript.
000060000 o'clock dash left bracket instruct.
Until you get to 0 o'clock. And then we would Control Shift down arrow a bunch of times until we get to the bottom. Once it's all selected, we copy. But I've already pasted it into a document, so I can go show you that.
Weaknesses of articles. Document 17 dash Word. Page 2. Page 2. Edit. Page 2.
I created a temporary unsaved Word document to paste my transcript into so that I can quickly select out a quote. And then when I don't need it anymore, I can quickly not save it.
Default on default. 231. A really favorable treaty with Britain. 233. And ends the Revolutionary War in 1783. The Treaty of Paris.
So this point
231. A really favorable treaty.
is at 2 minutes and 31 seconds in the video. So I can go to wherever I want in the video now that I've pasted this into my Word document. And when I press it, it won't go to that point in the video because they're not buttons anymore. But I can still quote out things.
211 dash left bracket Kim right 214. There are some problems with the Articles of Confederation.
So this just has all my video in it. So I can go, let's say I want to go to 323.
250 is 303 and 311 313 36 38 320 323 323 dash left bracket Lee right bracket. So the inciting incident is Shays Rebellion.
So I'm at 323 and that's when Leah starts talking. So I've got my transcript and I can now do whatever I need with it. So in summary, you'll need to figure out where the video came from and go search that website for it because that website might have a transcript for it, such as Khan Academy. Once you find the video, make sure you can play and pause it easily with JAWS keys Z to turn your cursor off and K to play and pause. But sometimes it doesn't work unless you've pressed the button before. Once you do that, you can see if there's some sort of transcript tab that'll expand the transcript, and then you can get to your buttons with there. Once you get to your buttons of the transcript, which will bring you to certain points in the video, you can either press those buttons and get to those points of the video, or you can go to the top of the transcript and use Control Shift down arrow to select the transcript one by one. Then you go into a separate document, either pre-saved or not, and paste the transcript in there, and you're good to go. You have your transcript and you can do whatever you need with it.
Excellent. Thank you, Emmy.
You're welcome.